what are the key components of an effective school mental health policy? I think that's a really important question, because I've spoken to schools who say they have a really, the favorite term is robust mental health policy, and it's not. It's an awareness. They've said basically we understand there's mental health around, and they'll have one or two mental health first aiders for a massive school. And mental health first aid is good. It's a good start point, but it's more about the mental health first aiders are trained to deal with people who come to them, whereas our qualifications give people the confidence and the knowledge to be able to be much more proactive, and much more positive about what they're doing, about what they're actually doing in their school and their setting is actually doing about mental health. So the key components is exactly making sure it's structured. There needs to be people trained at each level, and that goes right down to the students themselves. They can help each other through peer mentoring. The staff who are student facing, I suppose they're called, which is your teachers, your TAs, all your support workers. They've now got the behaviour managers in school. The middle and SLT management areas also need training, because they need to be aware of how they can ensure that the mental health support is being as effective as it can be, and going right up to making sure the policy is written, is appropriate, is realistic, and it actually is going to benefit students and staff. There was a quote I've got. It says the benefits of structured mental health training include happier, healthy students, confident, well-supported staff, and stronger school leadership. All of which, if you've got the right training in place, you create a much more better environment. You reduce absenteeism from staff and students, which saves you a lot of money. I think I saw a thing that it's £1 spent on mental health training for staff will gain you £3 in reduced absenteeism. So it's almost like making a profit, as it were.